Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to verify your TikTok account or how to get BlueTick a verification on TikTok full tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, make sure that you're currently logged in onto the right account on TikTok. So I'm currently logged in onto my TikTok account already. And the first step that we need to do in here is to make sure that we have a business account set up. So click onto the three horizontal lines onto the upper part of your profile. And right after, click onto settings and privacy. Click on account, and once you're already in here, click on to switch to business account. So make sure that you're onto a business account, click onto next, choosing a category as well. Let's try this one. Click onto next and add in your email address. You could skip that one out as well. And as you can see, it will congratulate you since you are already registered to a business account. So since you are registered already, so click visit business suite, and right after, once you're already in here, so we'll just have to click onto back here and click onto the three dots, and you should be able to find the one here, business suite. Click onto that one. So click onto business page right after. Make sure business page is currently turned on already, and just head back again and click onto need help. Right after, you'll just have to click onto account types and click onto blue verification badge account. So you'll have to click onto what is a verified badge, and you should be able to read in here on what is a verified badge all about. And here onto is your problem resolved. You'll just have to click onto no and click onto need more help. So here onto TikTok help desk, you'll just have to go ahead here and type in that you want the verification badge onto your account. Click on to send and wait for TikTok support to go ahead and respond to you. So we have here how to request verification on TikTok. Click onto that, and you should be able to find it already in here how to do that. So you'll just have to click onto profile, settings and privacy, account and verification, and this feature is currently not available everywhere. So if you're unable to submit a verification request in the app, you can submit through the link that they have provided in there. So they have the online form, just go ahead and fill that one out, and it should go ahead and help you verify your TikTok account to get BlueTick verification. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.